The scalping strategy employing the smart money concept will simplify your trading experience. By utilizing the smart money concept indicator, you can quickly identify order block areas, fair value gaps, breaks of structure, and changes of character with a high level of accuracy. I have conducted backtesting using this scalping approach, and the smart money concept indicator has produced results like these. Therefore, make sure to stay tuned and follow along with this video. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you typically struggle to identify order block areas, fair value gaps, breaks of structure, and changes of character, this indicator will make it easier for you to handle all these aspects. When there's a fair value gap, the indicator will automatically signal its occurrence. Furthermore, it will automatically determine order block areas, whether they are bullish or bearish order blocks. Moreover, if you wish to monitor for a break of structure, the indicator will also provide signals when a break of structure occurs, whether it's in the form of swing structure or internal structure. This will heavily depend on the settings you configure. Additionally, you can identify a change of character simply by observing the color of the candlesticks. To use the Smart Money Concept indicator, you can go to the TradingView platform. Log into the TradingView platform and access the indicator search column. In the indicator search column, type Smart Money Concept and select the Smart Money Concept indicator from Lux Algo. Once selected, proceed to configure the settings for the Smart Money Concept indicator according to your preferences. In the mode and style options, leave them at the default settings. Then, check the box for color candles, change the Show Internal Structure option, change it to Boss for both bullish and bearish structures. Uncheck the box for Show Swing Structure. Additionally, uncheck the boxes for Show Strong, Weak High, Low. Uncheck Equal High, Equal Low, and Auto Threshold. After making these adjustments, click OK. After that, let's set up the currency pair that will be used. Go to the pair search column and type GBP/USD, then select GBP/USD. Next, set the chart timeframe to M15. Now, we will configure the candlestick. In this example, I will only use candlesticks from the indicator to make it easier to observe if there is a change of character. Go to the pair settings above. Select point 3 on the pair to enter the pair settings tab. After that, choose Hide. As usual, this scalping trading strategy will involve using two indicators, the Smart Money Concept indicator and the Stochastic oscillator. Let's add the Stochastic oscillator indicator to our trading chart, go back to the indicator search tab, and then type Stochastic. Then, select the default Stochastic oscillator from TradingView. Let's proceed to configure the settings for this Stochastic oscillator. In the Input tab, change the %K length to 10, then also change %K smoothing to 3, and %D smoothing to 3, next, go to the Style column. In the Style column, change the upper band value to 75, and for the lower band, change the value to 25. After making these adjustments, click OK. We will use the Stochastic oscillator indicator as a trigger for entry into the market. The Stochastic oscillator indicator will be used as a trigger for market entry. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this indicator. How to place a buy order. If the candlestick is green, focus on identifying a buy entry point. Wait until a bullish order block appears, ensuring that a break of structure has occurred, or in other words, the boss signal has appeared. After the boss signal or break of structure occurs, wait for the price to correct until it touches the bullish order block area. Ensure that the Stochastic oscillator line is in the oversold area. Then, wait for the %K line to cross above the %D line. Finally, ensure that the formed candlestick is green. If all conditions are met, execute the entry after the candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss below the bullish order block area or at the latest swing low. Target the take profit with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2. How to place a sell order. If the candlestick is red, focus on identifying a sell entry point. wait until a bearish order block appears, ensuring that a break of structure has occurred, or in other words, the boss signal has appeared. After the boss signal or break of structure occurs, wait for the price to correct until it touches the bearish order block area. Ensure that the stochastic oscillator line is in the overbought area. Then, wait for the %K line to cross below the %D line. Finally, ensure that the formed candlestick is red. If all conditions are met, execute the entry after the candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss above the bearish order block area or at the latest swing high. Target the take profit with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2. To ensure that the scalping forex trading strategy using the smart money concept works, I will conduct backtesting on this scalping strategy. However, before proceeding, let me explain how this backtest will work. Now, let's perform backtesting for 100 trades using the smart money concept indicator. And after conducting the backtesting, here are the results. 1. If you use this compounding entry data table, you only need to fill in the number of pips for stop loss, the number of pips for profit, and the initial capital. For detailed instructions on how to fill it out, please refer to the video description or find the link provided in the upper right corner of the video. 2. The scalping backtesting was done using the GBP USD M15 pair. 3. This scalping trading strategy uses a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 2. 4. If we look at the account graph data below, it can be seen that this scalping trading strategy has a relatively stable growth. This is evident from the graph, which moves quite steadily. 5. We conducted 100 trades in this backtesting, with 58 wins and 42 losses. Therefore, this scalping trading strategy has a win rate of 58%. 6. This scalping trading strategy yielded approximately 1,495 pips in profit during the backtest. 7. If we start with an initial capital of around $1,000 and use a consistent lot size with a compounding system, we can estimate profits to be around $247 with a 3% risk, $442 with a 5% risk, and $1,067 with a 10% risk. 8. In terms of account growth, we can expect around 25% growth with a 3% risk, 44% with a 5% risk, and 107% with a 10% risk. 9. This scalping trading strategy achieved its largest victory of 108 pips in a single trade, with the largest loss being -69 pips in one trade. 10. As the final piece of data, this scalping trading method achieved consecutive wins 7 times and consecutive losses 5 times. That is the backtesting result data if you use a consistent lot size with a compounding system. However, if you use a greedy and irregular lot size, here is the trading data you might obtain. We strongly recommend sticking to a measured lot size using the table we discussed earlier. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology. That concludes our video for today, and see you in the next one.